Hi, Jill from KnitSisu here with the Alpine Shawl knit along. And let's talk about the shape and the structure and the increases of the shawl. First off, let's separate our colors or define our colors. So color one for me today is going to be the Sombra de Palma color in Arroyo. And also in Arroyo, I have whole grain. So this is going to be color one and color two. We already have our cast on done in the double-stranded cast on. Now looking at the shawl, and here's a different sample, different color combination. This is an asymmetrical triangle shawl, which means it's in the shape of a triangle, but one side is going to increase every right side row. So that's an easy way to keep count of your stitches, but also remember whenever you're looking at the right side of the fabric, the increase that we're going to do is at the beginning of the row. That is what's going to grow the shape of your shawl. The physical left side of when you're looking at the right side, meaning the pattern side, the physical left side does not grow. It stays in a vertical shape. So the way that we accomplish that, if you are looking at the pattern, the first 4 rows are setup rows. So the first right side row 1 and the right side row 3 are going to have a different increase than the other increases in the pattern. So we're starting with our color 1. So even though both colors are attached, I'm just going to use color 1. We're going to knit 1 and then knit front and back. So this is your knit front. This is your knit back. Knit until the last 2 stitches and slip. So you're going to continue that for row 3 as well, and then I'll meet you back to show you where we go from there. So I've done rows 1 through 4, and that knit front and back that we did on the second stitch of the right side rows, so of row 1 and of row 3, those laid the foundation for the shawl. Gave that little point a little bit of some structure. But now we're going to change our increase to a yarn over increase, and that is going to continue through the rest of the shawl. And again, this is the increase that grows that asymmetrical shape. So starting in row 1 of the B-stitch section, switch back to color 1. Every right side row switches, in the B section, every right side row switches colors. So we're going to knit 2, yarn over, and then continue with the pattern, which I'll explain in another video. So for that increase, the beginning 2 increases are those knit front and back, and from there on out, it will be that yarn over little eyelet increase that grows the shawl. You can see that eyelet in the piece. It's subtle, but it's pretty. It's right there. It lines up nicely it adds some flexibility as yarn overs do, and it also lines up nicely with the edging, which we will also discuss.